Hi, my name is Gan. I'm an education consultant from Raffles International College Bangkok. Today, I will give you a tour of our Raffles campus. But first, let's talk about our Raffles story. Raffles is the largest private education provider in the Asia Pacific with 15 campuses in 10 countries. We benefit from having campuses in many countries around the world. Our students share a wide range of learning and work experience, cultures, and work systems from various nationalities. Therefore, our students graduate as professionals of the highest quality and have greatly enhanced career opportunities beyond their home countries. Raffles was established in 1990 and was originally founded in Singapore. Raffles has over 30 years experience in the education industry and has produced more than 1,000 students in the various industries. Because of prestige and name recognition, 100% of our students receive job offers from multiple companies as soon as they graduate. Raffles also has close ties with companies in various industries to support our students' professional development. This is Raffles International College Bangkok, located in the Bang Na area. This campus is situated in a total of 22,500 square meters. The campus building has 5 floors and is designed to be a comprehensive study facility complete with classrooms for each subject area, workshop room, fashion studio, recreational areas, and library. Our campus is known as a green campus because it's covered with a variety of plants and grassy green spaces. It's eco-friendly to encourage the creative thinking process and create positive atmosphere. Here at Raffles, students do not have to worry about transportation because we have several convenient transportation options. You can commute easily by both private car and public transportation, such as the BTS SkyTrain. Once you arrive at the Udom Suk BTS station, get on our shuttle van for round-trip ride. Scheduled throughout the day from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., we ensure that our students arrive safely and comfortably. The first stop that I want to show you on the first floor is our Raffles Cafe, the Common Ground. It's a food and beverage shop that will open from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. The next area we will tour on this floor is library. Students come here to find inspiration and reference for their projects. We provide them with educational materials, books, and magazines from all over the world. You can also come in to relax, study here, or borrow the materials for your home study. Just let our librarian know what you want. She will take care of you. In addition to all this, you can view exceptional work done by our own students at the showcase, in the front window display, and inside of the library. If we walk straight to the end of the hallway, you will find the office section. You can come and speak with an education consultant at this counter. Students and parents can consult with our staff about classes or even changing your field of study. You are always welcome here with any questions. And now we're walking up to the second floor of the college campus building. On this floor, we have another facility for students, a workshop room. Inside this room is a complete set of tools for students of various disciplines. Students can invent, design, and then create whatever they imagine. Because at Raffles, it's very important to us that our students have hands-on experiences and gain both theoretical and practical knowledge. On the next floor, we have the lecturer's homeroom, student lounge, and classrooms. In the lecturer's homeroom, instructors of all disciplines meet with students one-on-one outside of the classroom. Students can ask questions and consult with the professor to problem solve and create individualized plans to meet their academic goals. Next, we will tour our classrooms. At Raffles, we design our classroom to be small, so that we can accommodate 10 to 15 students per class because we value the benefits of small class sizes. Raffles' first intention is to provide a teaching and learning program that allows the learner to fully access and absorb the knowledge that is transferred. And we find that communication and mentoring between lecturers and students is the most streamlined at this class size. The last room on this floor is the student lounge. This is an area for students to hang out with friends or relax during the lunch break and prepare for the next afternoon classes. We provide Wi-Fi, computers, comfortable seats, and beautiful views, so students can sit back, relax, think, and study in a calming environment. And then we come to the last floor, the fifth floor of our Raffles campus building. We can say that this floor can be called Fashion Empire because it mostly contains classrooms and workshop rooms for fashion design students. As I explained earlier, Raffles values practical experience. We believe that to be a good professional, you must know every detail, every step of the actual work process. When studying fashion design, students begin with color theory, the history of fashion, marketing fundamentals, and drawing, and then progress to designing and sewing clothes into finished pieces. The first room that we will show you is the drawing classroom. In this room, students can learn sketching from the body figure to technical drawing. In our fashion studios, we provide a complete range of equipment for students. Whether it's a long table made of soft wood that allows students to pin pegs onto clothing patterns, or mannequins of all sizes for both women and men. It shows that at Raffles, we really care every student's individual growth and ideas, so that they can practice more real skill in the fashion industry. Raffles provides another facility for fashion design students, a sewing room. Inside this room, we have equipment like industrial iron and sewing machines, which are very close to the ones currently used by industrial leaders. Students practice and improve their sewing skills on the same equipment they will use if they go on to work in the industrial professionally. We have come to the last facility of this campus. What we would like to show you is the auditorium. Whether you are a freshman or graduate student, you will be visiting this room many times. Why? Because it's our meeting room for orientation day, a workshop room, a classroom where final year students present their very last projects as the last step before they move on to become professionals. For anyone interested in studying at Raffles, you can visit our website by following this link. See you at Raffles. Bye!